Good
baked
luck.
potato.
Can I shoot it,
Turn
Dad?
it over. Use
Can I
the other
shoot
end.
it?
Yeah, you can.
Huh? Is it hard to like? Wait. I can't figure out how to do it.
There's a time limit. Don't beat on it. Push. Come on, girl.
Wait. He's sticking his hand in the fire.
No, I see in the wood.
Okay, shoot it a little lower so we can see it across the pasture.
I'm
If it's a
shooting
hole.
this time.
No, guys, it's gonna be two, so it might not be very good.
Is that extra hold hairspray? Or does it matter?
Yes. All day hold. Yeah?
Can you fire it closer to the floor?
Yes, boys. This is
Why?
what we did
So
when
that
we
we
were
can
kids.
see what it looks like?
Yeah, your mom was an expert.
Yeah, your daddy's been doing this
Does
since
that
I
like
was your
pressurize
age.
it?
This one's not going to be no good. I can't get the lid on.
You can fire without wood.
I want to.
Wait, fire it closer to the ground.
Why?
That way we can see it. No, like really close. Like. Oh, there. Alright, that one I got.
Oh, I still see